Hi, everybody. Welcome out to our webinar. My name is John Walker, and I'm a digital marketing specialist here at Home ASAP. So let's start out with just a little background on me and the company I work for. I hold a master's degree in mass communications from the University of Florida, and my specialty is digital marketing. And the company I work for, Home ASAP, we've been helping real estate agents market themselves on Facebook going back to 2011. So our real estate agent directory was actually one of the first platforms of its kind on Facebook. And since its launch, the directory has grown to over 600,000 members across all 50 states of the U.S. And through that platform, we've connected agents to lots of essential marketing services like IDX Home Search, as well as automatic Facebook posts. And our company has also run millions of dollars in Facebook ads across over 100,000 campaigns for real estate agents. So we're really proud of our track record, and in fact, Facebook has even recognized our company as a premier marketing partner. So with all of that experience marketing real estate, we've learned lots of things, and we want to pass on some of that knowledge about branding to you here today. So for the next few minutes, I'm going to be helping you explore what it means to have a brand, why you need a strong brand, and what you can do to start building that brand. All right, so let's get started with a little game. I'm going to name a celebrity, and I want you to type a word or two in the chat that comes to mind when you think of them. Okay? So I just want you to try to encapsulate them in a single word or a phrase. Okay? So let's get started. So first one, here we go. Sylvester Stallone. All right, go ahead and type your word into the chat now, and let's hear what you think describes Sylvester Stallone. And by the way, while you're typing, I want to also let you know we're going to have experts standing by to answer any questions you have in the chat. So feel free to ask questions as we go along here today. Okay, so now let's take a look at what we have here. Okay, so what words come to mind with Sylvester Stallone? We've got Rocky, tough, action hero, Rambo. Yes, perfect. All right, those are all perfect. Great. All right, let's move on to the next one. Here we go. Beyonce Knowles. All right, so let me know what words come to mind to describe her in the chat. Okay, give you a second. Okay, looks like we got some coming in. We have powerful, diva, queen bee, singer, bootylicious. Okay, all right, now, who wrote that? All right, come on, people. Let's try to keep it G-rated, please, okay? I'm married, so I don't want to get in trouble with my wife. I'm sure she's around here somewhere recording this from home today. Actually, you know what? On that note, probably ought to move on. All right, so last one, Property Brothers, Drew and Jonathan Scott. All right, so you know the drill. Let me know what words you associate with the Property Brothers. All right, so brothers, obviously, yeah. Fixer-uppers, flips, renovations, modern. Okay, great. All right, so maybe by now you figured out the common thread here. All of these stars have built incredible personal brands. And as a real estate agent, you really have to do the same thing if you're going to have sustained success. All right, so let's define a brand in terms of real estate agents. All right, so your brand is the idea that a person automatically associates with you. All right, so some agents, they're known as new construction specialists, or maybe you're the go-to expert on a particular neighborhood or a particular city. All right, so whatever your brand is, it's what sets you apart from other agents, because potential customers have created a connection in their minds between you and some other idea. So let me tell you now something that might surprise you. You have already started building a brand as a real estate agent. So when you send out an email, you're building a brand. When you talk to a potential client, you're building a brand. And when those potential clients talk to their spouse about you, you're building a brand. You see, everyone is naturally going to connect you to some idea, whether it's a neighborhood, maybe a friendly attitude, or maybe even worst case scenario, incompetent. So the more connections that they make between you and a particular idea, the stronger your brand is going to be. And most agents have one of two problems when it comes to creating their brand. One, they don't have a plan for building their brand, so they make lots of random, forgettable connections in people's minds. Or two, they attach themselves to the wrong ideas in people's minds, and so people don't see value in their brand. And the good news is that those problems can be fixed with a good plan. So for the rest of this webinar, I'll be guiding you through how to create a brand plan. And we'll help you to see where you're at in this brand building journey, where you want to go, and then finally, how to get there.